I am blessed to have not one, not two, but three Asian pear trees in my backyard. This particular picture is of the most maturest one. There's two, one to the right, one to the left, as I show you that. Today is July the 18th, 2019. I understand harvesting for these generally take place the second week in August, which is the best time. As you can see, I have some small ones, I have some rather larger ones, and higher up on the tree they get a little bigger. I do plan to harvest in the next couple of days simply because animals have begun to help themselves. And once they start falling, they're going to be all over the ground. And just to eliminate that extra headache of the bees and things, I think it's best to, hey, I call the grandbaby, get her down here and get her to help me. Just beyond this tree, I have another one, and it's not going to be harvested this year. The Asian pear or pear apple, depending on what part of the state you live in. I'm super excited to try my Asian pear pies, syrups, salads, butters. But as a vegan, the most important ones to me, and here's the other one just beyond, the most important part to me is going to be the smoothies, the juice, and the home remedies that the Asian pear offers. The Asian pear apple, is great for detoxing. The juice is phenomenal. Home remedies are things more like flu-like symptoms, sore throats, colds, coughs. You drink it as a tea. There are health benefits of potassium, magnesium, fiber, vitamin K, C, E, B6, and copper. So just the health benefits get me super excited. Like I say, I am so blessed to have one, two, three pear apple slash Asian pear trees in my backyard. And I cannot wait to harvest these babies and be able to dehydrate, detox, make home remedies. I'm super excited, and I'm super blessed to have the health benefits growing in my very own backyard. Thanks for watching.